Patapos na yung taon. Too late na to implement an accounting system. Next year na lang. Mali ka dyan, boss. Ang akala ng marami, kailangan maghintay until the start of the new financial year bago sila maghanap ng bagong accounting system na gagamitin. Mali. One of the best time is actually near the end of the financial year. Bakit kamo? Kasi may preparation pa yan eh. Oo, mas madali nang i-implement yung mga accounting systems ngayon like Xero, One Accounting, and Zoho Books kumpara sa mga traditional na software na inaabot ng taon para i-develop. Pero kahit ready to use yung system, kailangan pa din aralin yung proseso, mag-migrate ng data at mag-training ng tao. At the same time, kung beginning of the year pa lang natin umpisahan ang implementation, matik na kailangan yung maghabol in encoding backlogs. Yun yung talagang doble trabaho eh. But if we prepare and set up and train now, pagdating ng new year, salang agad, fresh start with a new system in place. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.